hydrant! Fire hydrant! You guys see one? Call it out!
Up the corner!
Fire hydrant! You gotta find one. Walk that curb, guys. Fire hydrant. We were dispatched to a house on fire that was surrounded by 3 foot of water. We had a little bit of difficulty, and when we initially got in here, the only thing we could do was connect hose directly to the fire hydrant, which was underwater. We had a little bit of challenge finding the hydrant that was underwater. Once they were able to find the hydrant and connect to it, we got our initial hose line on there, and we basically just protected the exposure surrounding the house that was burning. It was nearly fully involved when we arrived.
Waiting for water right now. We're about a hose short right now.
Pull it back! Pull the hydrant back, or the hose back!
We just pulled a lady and her husband and their cats out of this house as it was on fire. We found them. We're in here doing searches, looking for people. You know, make sure we can get them out. And we were hearing a whistle, and you know, we knew something was wrong. So we circled back, came back in here, followed the smoke, found the fire. They were like real emotional. They didn't want to come out. He actually, Travis went in and like you know, got them out, and we got evac them back and their cats and them back, and then we brought the fire department in, and. You know, they used the National Guard with the hoses, and they were hooking up for this hydrant, but there's hardly any pressure, and that hose is like, I mean, it's like a water pick at the dentist. You're not like getting a lot of action out of it.
They have the fire, I mean, they're keeping it off of the exposure, but we just don't have enough water or pressure to extinguish it. Someone that came up with the idea that we could use the jet propulsion on the boat engine to create what we call a deck gun, which he tried that out, and it seems to be working very good. We were able to knock down the majority of the fire in the main house, and we were able to protect the exposures. So what's been hard for me is that all my friends that live in this area are struggling. And you know, that's just what's been hard is dealing with the suffering that's going on. You know, firefighters and EMTs and police attend to human suffering on a regular basis, and that's the difficult part of the job. It creates a lot of stress for us, but you know, it's why we're here. You know.